Over the past few weeks, I've had quite a few questions from you guys on how to add online ordering into your sweets businesses. And so I'm gonna give you guys 4 really great options of how you can add online ordering into your business on your website or on your social media that can help you get sales starting today. So tip number 1 is to use a Square checkout link. If you didn't know, Square actually has a checkout link that you can give to your customers where they can click that link and go directly to a product and purchase it right there online. So it doesn't matter if you have a website, doesn't matter if you only have social media, you can have a direct link to that product, give it to your customers, and they can check out right there and you can collect money right into your bank account that same day. Tip number 2 is to create an order form. I absolutely love Jot forms for this because you actually can create a checkout process right there on the form. You can connect Square, PayPal, and Stripe to help you with collecting money directly from your customer. And then you can use that form to either embed on your website if you have one, or you can take the direct link that goes to that form and share that with your customer either through Facebook Messenger, Instagram Messenger, through an email, whatever you want to use it for. You have a direct link over to that order form, and then you can have a list of products or a menu of services even on that order form to help your customer with selecting the right product for them, and then they can pay you directly on that form, and then that money goes directly into your bank account. Tip number 3 is to use the Facebook Marketplace. Now, Facebook is really investing a lot of time and energy into promoting this marketplace, and it's something that your customer can easily get to directly on the Facebook app. So look into posting your menu items in the marketplace and connect with people in your local community. And tip number 4 is to use Shopify to sell your products. Now, the awesome thing about Shopify is that you don't necessarily have to have a Shopify store to sell Shopify products. You can actually have one of their light accounts, and then you can embed the Shopify products directly onto your website, or you can have a direct link that goes to that menu item that you can sell directly to your customer and then add money to your bank account. So those are 4 really great options that you can use starting today to help you with selling products online, whether that's on social media or on your website. And if you're looking for more sales tips, join me on sugarcoins.com, the business academy for bakers, cakers, and treat makers just like yourself. Hope you guys stay safe out there, and we'll see you around the Sugarverse. Bye, guys.